What's going on, good people? Welcome back to Crypto Stocks and Sports. I just want to do a market update. The crypto market, is doing pretty steady right now. Arcblock ABT Crypto, just had the Arcsphere released. It's like its new Web3, platform, its own web browser. So it's actually, very bullish. It was sitting at about 40 cents mid of April. And like just yesterday, a day or two ago, it was like $1.40. So very bullish. A lot of things are, happening right now with the Arcblock Crypto and, Aerodrome Finance as well. It's holding steady at about 60 cents plus right now, but I still think it's a great entry point. I think, the way the interest markets or the interest might get cut this month in May with the Fed meeting, there's a possibility it's either going to be this month or next month. But when that happens, if it does get, interest rates get cut, I think the stocks are going to soar. They're going to fly through the roof. And, the market has been, been beaten down these past couple months, but I've been holding steady, just dollar cost averaging. I haven't sold any. And that just, the stock market, that's a different story. But crypto, in my opinion, we got the Virtuals Protocol platform. We got, Virtuals Protocol, the main, one itself, it was sitting at like 47 cents. It's like $1.85, $1.70 right now. But they got all these different, virtual AI agent coins that are being released. And, some of them, I have a couple, and like they're doing like 700% returns. And I got one, it was at like 2 cent, like 0.0002 of a penny. And it went up all the way to 0.12 of a penny. So like it already did like 1,000%, return. But I only put like, a couple hundred in, but it already went up, like 1,000 plus. So that was a good return. But I think Virtuals Protocol, that's just a platform you just want to check out. They got all these new AI agent coins you want to watch, and a lot of them are pumping. They got this new one. It's called the Basis OS coin, but it just got released like a week or two ago last month, and I think that's one you might want to check out. They say it has like 15x, 20x potential. It's already sitting at like a penny, but it's holding steady. But the way the whole crypto market's going right now, I think you just gotta hold. I think we're gonna see a rally in the month of May. I think we are gonna see an all-time high sometime this year. I don't know if it's going to be in the summertime, but it possibly could be. But I know June of 2021 or like last like the last cycle, 2021 bull run cycle, it peaked in the middle of July, and then everything crashed after that. But you just got to stay tuned. I think the crypto market is pumping. Bitcoin's almost at 100,000. Ethereum hasn't been doing nothing really this year. Before I end the video, I just wanted to ask, where do you think we're going this year? You think we're going to hit an all-time high this year? Or you think we're going to enter a bear market? You think we're going to be delayed with all these tariffs? But let me know in the comments where you think we're going. Are we going to hit an all-time high, or are we going to enter a bear market? And also let me know, are you more interested in crypto videos, or you got the stock market? I'm going to be posting more videos here once a week. And, subscribe for more. Like the video. Until then, I'll see y'all next time.